Hi, today we're going to demonstrate how you can modify or delete any Zetoc alerts that you've created. Before we begin, you'll need to have already created an alert or alerts in Zetoc that you wish to modify or delete. If you're new to Zetoc or not sure how to use the alerts function, please see the screencast video on Zetoc alerts at zetoc.mymas.ac.uk/videos.html. Zetoc alerts are personalised for you. When you log into the other Zetoc services, Zetoc Search and Zetoc RSS feeds, Zetoc will only be looking to see whether you are from a subscribing institution. When you sign into the Alerts service, it will be looking for your personal data. This is something to consider for those users who might have more than one set of login details for eResources. That is, have you logged in with the right details for this alert? To start, log into Zetoc as usual. For a reminder on how to log in, please see the screencast video on authentication to Zetoc at zetoc.mymas.ac.uk/videos.html. Now that you've logged in, you'll see the home page for Zetoc alerts. From this page, you can add or remove journals and search terms to or from your existing alerts. You can rename alerts, renew alerts for 12 months, change the email address your alerts are sent to, and delete any alerts that you no longer need. You can also create new alerts from this page should you wish. Making sure that you've selected the correct alert that you wish to modify from the drop-down box, clicking on the Add Journals or Add Searches buttons will take you to the split window view that you saw when you initially created your alert. You can now add journals and search terms as you wish. If you wish to remove journals or search terms, click the Renew/Modify button from here or from the Alerts homepage. Now you're at the Renew Modify page. To remove journals or search terms, deselect them from the list and click Remove Journals/Searches. Then the list will update. Be careful to make sure the ones you wish to remove are not ticked. This is a bit counterintuitive, but if you accidentally remove a journal or search term, there's no need to worry. You can always add it again if you need. From this page, you can also change the email address that alert emails are sent to. Just clear the box, then type the new address carefully and click the Change Email Options button. Remember that you're only changing the email address for this particular alert. If you have more than one alert, you'll need to manage them individually by selecting them from the drop-down list at the Alerts homepage. As always, this can be any valid email address, so take care to choose the correct one that you want the emails to go to. Zetoc alerts last for a year, but can be extended in 12-month blocks. From the Renew Modify page, having selected the appropriate alert from the Alerts homepage, click the Renew it for another 12 months from today link, and then the page will show the new expiry date. Be aware that in this way, it is possible to still be receiving emails from Zetoc after you've graduated or left your institution, and that while you might still be able to receive the emails, you won't necessarily be able to log in or access full text without a valid institutional login for eResources. Navigating back to the Alerts homepage, you can rename or delete any of your alerts. If you have several alerts, you might wish to rename some of them to make it clear what they relate to. Selecting the appropriate alert and then clicking the Rename button will lead Zetoc to prompt you for a new alert name. Type the new name and click the OK button to apply the change. If you're receiving alert emails that you don't want, you may wish to delete one of your alerts. To delete, select the appropriate alert and then click the delete button. You'll then be asked to confirm that you actually wish to delete the alert in question. Click yes to delete or no to return to the alerts homepage. When you've finished modifying your alerts, you can close your web browser to log out. If you're really stuck and unable to renew or delete your alerts, or you have any other queries, you can always email us here at MyMass at zetoc@mymass.ac.uk for assistance should you need. That's it for this screencast video on modifying and deleting Zetoc alerts. For more information on using Zetoc, please take a look at the Zetoc support web pages at zetoc.mymass.ac.uk/support.html.